my name is Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 3, Section 4, number 26, which reads, in xy plane, the line determined by the points 2, k and k, 32 passes through the origin. Which of the following could be the value of k? So what you first want to do is list your 3 coordinates. What 3 coordinates you say? Anytime you see the origin, make sure you write down 0, 0. It is the origin, and that is the key and what probably so many students miss in order to get this question correct. So one thing about this question, or another thing about this question, is it is a line. So lines have the same slope. So your increase from 2 to 0 has got to be your same as your increase from 0 to k, provided those are increasing. Your increase from k to 0 has to be the same as your increase from 0 to 32, provided they are increasing. So what could you do here? You could set up y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In that case, let's say that this is x1, y1, x2, y2. And so now we have 0 minus k over, and remember this is the formula, y2 minus y1 over, and that's a y, not an x, over x2 minus x1, and that's your slope. So we have 0 minus k over 0 minus 2, and then 0 minus isn't going to change anything, a negative over negative is a positive. So you get k over 2 as your slope here. You can do the same thing. Now, we already are treating the origin as x2 and y2. So now let's make this our new x1 and y1. So now what we've got is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so we get a negative over 0 minus 32 is just negative 32. 0 minus k is just negative k. We get negative 32 over negative k, which is just 32 over k. So that's another way to express your slope here. So we've got, since the slopes have to be the same in any given line, we could set these slopes equal to each other. And then what we get is k squared, cross multiply and set equals 64. And then take the square root of both sides. Boom, boom, k equals 8. 8 is your answer. And that's just the way you want to do that question. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble with word problems or misses stuff in questions like this. You can't miss origin. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, you can leave that in the comments as well. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.